Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can find recently played songs or how we can see Spotify song history. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is you're gonna find it here recently played, but there is a trick how you can find like specific tracks that you played. Now what you want to do is this. Go to right bottom to the library, and when you're gonna be in the library, you just want to simply click on whatever playlist you see. So I got like this one here, the Sahman playlist I created. Now, just click add songs under shuffle play. In the middle, it's in the middle. And when you're here, you want to swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, and now you're gonna see recently played songs. And what you can do now is just simply click on a song and add it there, right? And you're gonna see all those recently played songs on Spotify. I don't really know why the Spotify doesn't like add it to their platform, and you need to find it through this trick. But this is pretty much it how we do it. So to repeat the tutorial, you are in a playlist, click on a playlist, then whatever you created, add songs to the playlist, and right here, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, and recently played, and you're gonna find it. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.